One of my favorite features of Desmos is the ability to create my own activities. This allows me to customize my classroom and to really target student learning. So I click on Custom and then New Activity, and then I'm going to add a title and start building. So on the first screen, I'm going to put a graph. One of the things I love about Desmos is students to be able to manipulate graphs. And so we are going to look at effects of A, H, and K. So I'm going to add these sliders. This will allow you to really notice and wonder about the graph, discover what effect A has on the graph, and then also H and K. We can add a title here, so you can name it whatever you want. And we can come back and change that if we want to. On the next screen, another thing that I love is to be able to give students instructions or ask them questions about the previous screen. So they're not just looking at something and manipulating it, but they're putting it back into words. So maybe state the effects of A, H, and K. So you can type your questions or things that you want to think about in this notes section. And then you can ask students to discuss with a partner. And so then I can take off the student responses being seen by all of their classmates, or I can put it back on. This will elicit a lot of classroom discussion, which is great in a math classroom. And then I can click on Next, and I can pull in my own image. And then also I can give just a little bit of detail about what my activity can be used for. I can make this activity public, or I can just keep it to myself. And so you can name it anything you want. And so here's my activity. Now I have student preview, I can create a class code, I have a teacher guide. I can share this still with other people and make it public. I can go back and edit my activity. I go through it and I think, oh, I really want to change these things. I can edit my activity. I can make a copy of it and edit it so I don't mess up the original. So it makes it really nice and super easy to create activities fast, and they are valuable activities that your students can use and that they can learn from.